In this video, we'll be covering how to create an invoice from a quote. To create an invoice from a quote, you'll first need to create the quote. If you're not sure how to do that, a video will be linked in the description below. Click on the Quotes tab and find your quote. Once you've selected the desired quote, click the Create Invoice link in the upper right. If your work account is connected to QuickBooks Online, clicking the Create Invoice link will create an invoice from your quote within QuickBooks. If your work account is not connected to QuickBooks, clicking this link will create your invoice within Work itself, where you can then access it via the Invoices tab, allowing you to update and email the invoice, as well as track payments and due dates. If you're not sure how to connect your work account to QuickBooks Online, there will be a video linked in the description below. Also, please note that we'd be happy to assist with importing your products and services pricing into Work. And that's all the information you'll need to know to create an invoice from a quote. If you need assistance, our awesome support team is always glad to help. We can be reached at 800-558-3054 or by emailing VCGSupport@vcgcorporate.com.